Hello everybody, my name is Jay and welcome back to my Tech Vault. And today is my birthday, and I'm not saying that just out of the blue just to, get comments. I do appreciate those, but I have a really nice announcement today. So a lot of you guys, if you've known me for or been following this channel for a bit, know that I've been really wanting to start doing PC building, like a little business out of it, for people that may be interested. And of course, build PCs for people, make videos about it, share it with people, and have a nice little experience all together. I find that really enjoyable. And so today I want to kind of talk about, yes, I'm going to be actually getting officially registered, and I will actually own a PC building business. That's kind of the big announcement. But I want to take a little bit of a moment to talk about kind of all the stuff that's been leading up to it. Really some cool background information on what's inspiring me to do this, and basically the pitch on why I want to do things differently and how I can do things differently. So first off, I guess the best way to start this off is first time I ever wanted to first, I guess, business experience. So there's a Lego store near where I live. It's a good hike, but there's a Lego store there. And when I was younger, I would always go to the Lego store for their, I think it was the first Tuesday of every month. They would have a free build that you could do there, and you could take it home. And so I thought, I think I was in elementary school at the time. I was going, I'll go through and I'll make little bracelets. These were actually pretty cool bracelets. I'm not gonna lie. They had all the different colors. I'd make some really cool color combinations. They were nice and they were pretty cool. And I would sell them for 25 cents or I think 50 cents maybe. And I'd sell them. And I'd use the money that I would make from, I'd go down the waiting line for this Lego, I guess, event, and I would go sell these bracelets. And then I'd take the money that I got from the bracelets, and I would buy Lego sets with them. And that's what I did. Instead of getting a budget or an allowance, I just would save up, and every week I'd go buy a Lego set with the money that I made from selling bracelets. And so that was nice, and I did that. And then in 6th grade, I started doing the server hosting stuff, which in summary was pretty much I got into doing Minecraft server hosting and stuff. I started a business basically, or starting a little. It wasn't a business because it wasn't registered and it wasn't really official, but I went through and I would host servers for people and they pay me, and it was all set up really nicely, had a website, it was all very professional, and that was very fun. But it was definitely not, I don't know the right way to put this. Obviously, Minecraft was not going to last around forever, and I wasn't going to invest all my time into doing Minecraft server hosting. I thought there would either be better uses, and there wasn't really much margin. And I'm not going to say there's any margin in PC building, but I think PC building is a little bit more fun. So that brings us here to what I guess I want to do with this. So I'm not going to deny that building a PC is a good experience, is a good bit of knowledge, and I would hope that everyone has built the PC. But I understand there's some people that are not they're uncomfortable with building PCs, and that's kind of what I want to cater to. And I'm going to do my best to be very upfront with what I charge. I think it's what I've decided is 15%. Of whatever the cost is, including tax, shipping, and my build fee. So if you have I don't know, $1,000, it'd be $1,150 for me included to build and ship and all that stuff, which honestly still comes out well below any pre-built. But I think that I've been working on getting a website. The website's done. I got the business registered with Google. I'll be sending in my paperwork soon to get registered in the United States. And so I really think this will be a very, I don't know, unique experience. I've got a lot of cool stuff that I can do with this because most people when I don't know, most pre-builts, when you go to get a computer built, they'll go through and they'll build it. They won't pick out good parts. You'll have a lot of problems, and and I personally can say this because I'm actually working with a kid right now from my school, who's got a lot of problems with the pre-built, and we're just getting to the point now where he might need a motherboard upgrade, and maybe a new cooler, and he's pretty much done for a good bit. So what I want to do is kind of do something very unique, where instead of having stuff, I'll pick high quality parts up front with the part list. Here's the part list. Here's what you're getting. But I'm also going to set like a standard too. I'm going to say, and I'm not building below $800 for a budget range, and that's not because I don't feel comfortable building down there. It's because when you get below $800 for me, it's a matter of, here we're going to get this motherboard, but this motherboard isn't really going to be good for you if you upgrade. And me, if you ask anybody that I built computers for, I've built probably like people I've built these for in my school, or anything like that, they'll know that I'll walk them through all the parts and stuff and be like, yeah, this is why I'm picking this, because this is actually really decent, and if you ever upgrade, you won't ever have a problem. And so, for example, actually, I've got someone that watches my videos that I'm actually been in contact with, and I'm actually building his computer. And obviously, this was one of the things he picked out, but an 850 watt power supply is definitely rather on the end of overkill. But a 750 and a 650 watt power supply, when it's modular, I feel is a good investment, because power supplies, no matter what you upgrade, really don't go out of style or don't become obsolete really quickly. They're always going to be still relevant. And that's just one of the things that I like to do, and I think a good case and a good looks, not too far, but something that looks decent, can really go a long way. And so that's what I mean. High quality parts is, I guess, what I'm going to be making sure I pick in my builds. And the final part, which I think is the most interesting, and I'm glad that I can do, is through this YouTube channel I'm able to share all these experiences with people. And if you've known in the past, every time I have a computer build, I live stream it. And this one will be no exception. I've actually got a subscribe to PewDiePie build that I'm doing as well. Not this one, but a separate one. And that's something that I've really been excited to officially do, is a computer build, because I've gotten a lot of live streaming equipment, and basically I'm going to be able to do very professional live streams. So for when people that are, in this case, this guy lives out west, well, actually North Dakota, but he lives out on the other side of the country. I really can go through and make sure this live stream will pick a time, make sure he's all good, pick a time in the morning, and I'll stream this, and I'll stream the whole build process. Actually, it's in the afternoon. Next Friday, I think I'm what I'm going for. And pick a time in the afternoon. He can watch the whole thing. It will all be public. He can see what I'm doing. He'll got plenty of camera angles. So it's not like we're doing something hidden, obsolete, or I don't know, hard to see. It's all open out there. You can watch the whole process, and then it's all available for him if he ever wants to watch it again. And I think not only that, having the ability for him to converse and watch as it happens in real time, I think is awesome. And I want to do that for all the builds that I do. But I also think that I want to do another video as well, kind of showcasing it. Like, here's the cool PC. Here's the guy that I built it for, and check this out. And this is the PC showcase. And so if someone wants to be like, hey, I got this computer, and maybe like, here, I have a custom computer. Here you go. And I also believe in something very interesting, is that every PC should be built custom. I mean, obviously there's a lot of products out there that will be like a one-fits-all, and I mean, when you get into the custom range and the an enthusiast range hardware, you really have the ability to build something specifically for what someone wants. And with a budget, and a good budget, and a lot of questions, I guess, I can really pick out something really nice. And I mean, I'm not going to, as I said, deny that building it on your own is a good experience, but I guess what I'm just offering is you can watch me build it. I've got the equipment so you can watch it happen live, and for a little shipping and things like that, I can build it for you and you can watch it, and you get mailed to you and all that stuff. But yeah, that's what the big announcement is for 18. That's what I'm doing. So I've got one build already through that, and hopefully some more. But yeah, I mean, I think it will be good for the channel, because the channel, by having all this hardware and showcasing it in these videos, it will drive more views, and more views will therefore mean maybe more people interested in having computers built, and just kind of an endless feedback loop. I mean, that's if things go nicely. And I mean, I'm not in any rush to do anything. I love building computers, and I mean, I find that super fun and enjoy getting a kick out of, the different hardware, seeing what all cool stuff has come out. And I mean, that's a better way for me to, get hands-on with the hardware, build with it, and also not have to necessarily pay for the hardware and then it just sit around. I pay for or I get to build the hardware. I get paid to build the hardware, and get a system out of it. Have a nice experience with somebody, and get a couple extra bucks to put back in the channel. I think that's absolutely awesome. So thank you very much for watching this far, and I honestly am kind of really happy to see how this goes. This one will be next Friday. I believe it's March 15th, and then the subscribe to PewDiePie build I believe is tomorrow, if I'm still doing that. I'm actually recording this day a couple of days early, so that I can catch up a little bit on videos. I'm going out actually today. I'll be going out with some buddies to watch some movies, and then we're going to be hanging out and having a fun time, probably playing some football or something outside. So pretty much fun stuff for me today. But as I said, if I was going to do something on my birthday, it would definitely be this is what I want to do, and I want to start this, and I mean, we'll see how far it goes. I've always offered to build people's computers, and I think it's just especially with all the streaming stuff that I've got nowadays, it's a really nice experience, I guess, for everybody. But thank you very much for watching, and check out the channel. I've got links to all the websites, all that stuff if you're interested, and if not, heck, I love talking about hardware, and I hope people watch and are interested in that too, because honestly, I mean, I'm not gonna. Yeah, there's no way in lying. Everyone, if you got enough knowledge and you put enough time into it, anyone can build a computer, and I'm not gonna deny that. It's a really good experience, but I also want to offer something for those people that necessarily don't want to, don't have the same knowledge set. I think that's a good opportunity, a little bit, at least be a little bit more open about it. But thank you very much for watching, and hope to see you around. Tomorrow will be a nice build, and then of course hopefully you guys will stick around for this one right here. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.